Ion nitriding technology.
Metal extrusion is a widely used metal forming process in which a billet is forced through a shaped die to produce a continuous and uniform cross-sectional profile. The extrusion dies have a crucial role in the shape, quality, and precision of the extruded profiles. The process of metal extrusion exposes the tools to harsh conditions, including high temperatures, intense pressure, and abrasive materials. These conditions lead to wear, erosion, and thermal fatigue, causing failures such as surface degradation, cracks, and plastic deformation in the extrusion tools. These failures not only compromise the quality of extruded products but also result in increased downtime and maintenance costs for manufacturing facilities. Ion nitriding enhances the surface hardness and wear resistance of extrusion tools, mitigating wear, erosion, and thermal fatigue. High-quality tool steels, like H13, are used in the manufacturing of the dies, and ion nitriding gives great results in increasing their surface hardness and wear resistance, reducing the risk of failures such as surface degradation and cracks, increasing the tool's durability and lifespan, improving the performance, and reducing costs. Long service life and optimal extrusion quality are very important in the metal extrusion industry, and ion nitriding can greatly improve the tools to achieve that. We at Ionitech bring high-quality technology and focus on expertise and deep commitment to your success. We go beyond providing solutions, we build partnerships. Your success is our mission.
Ionitech. Technology, solutions, expertise.